This is Rich from Rich TV Live, and I'm actually here at a soccer tournament here in Surrey, British Columbia, Canada. All around me you see soccer, and I want to talk about the fact that it's September 1st. So now that we're into September, I believe this is the time where you really got to buckle down and get ready to do your trading. And if you want to make money trading, now's the time. So I'm gonna stop doing my live stream for the next 4 months. I'm gonna take a break from live streaming. I wanna focus strictly on doing breakout alert videos and news videos based on breaking news. And I'm going to be really focused on my trading for the next 120 days because I believe these 120 days will be vital to making money. So I've made a decision that I'm going to be taking a break from the live stream. We won't be live streaming every day at 10 a.m. I will try to make a bunch of videos still. I will try to give you guys still a bunch of good content, but I've made the decision that as an investor, I really need to focus on these next 120 days, and I just can't do it if I'm live every day for 1 or 2 hours, then I'm editing. So I'm not really spending a lot of time trading, which is a big mistake right now, because if you want to make money trading, now is the time. So I made a decision that I'm going to be taking the next 120 days and I'm really going to focus on my trading so that I can maximize my potential. But if you guys need me, I'll still be available. I'll still be dropping videos. It'll be more shorter videos. It won't be these long live streams like I've been doing. I think I've done enough of those now. And now I'll just be breaking out breaking news, picks that are on fire, anything that's breaking, I'm going to be focused on. And other than that, just focused on my trading. So I hope you guys understand. If you guys have any questions or concerns, feel free to contact me at Rich TV Live. You can email me at richtvlive@gmail.com. You can go and follow us on www.richtvlive. Get all the updates as they happen right on our website, and we'll keep you guys updated on everything. And you can also go and join our WhatsApp group. Contact me and email me richtvlive@gmail.com and request to join my WhatsApp group. Give me your name, and I will give you the contact details to join the group. So thank you guys for watching. It's September 1st. It is game time now. We are literally like 45 days away from legalization. It's crazy. So I really want to focus on my trading. I think you should too. This is a vital time for trading. This is a historic event, and I believe the markets are going to explode, and I want to make sure that I take advantage of that. I hope you do too. This is your boy Rich. If you're not winning, you're not watching. I'm out. Peace.